This is a little tutorial on how to put the Unreal Engine into a Git repository. First of all, just to clarify, GitHub is a source control app. It can be used to essentially have save points so you can make changes without worry of affecting your project. So I'm just going to show you what I do. I'm going to create a new repository. We're going to find where I want to put it because it's going to make a folder in here. I'll show you for an example, with UE example. We will use the template Unreal Engine for the git ignore, and that's it for now. Alright, so we just go into Show Explorer. We see in here it has a hidden folder, git attributes, and git ignore, and it's built it in there. So now if I add this project, this is a blank project, there's nothing in it because you should always do it early on. Put it in here, save. Oh, look at that, it's installed everything. Clean install. Now I'm going to show you what I personally do whenever it comes to new projects, especially if I'm going to use blueprints, because blueprints in Git can be quite finicky. Sometimes they'll save, sometimes they won't save, and sometimes they like go through branches. It's very finicky and very annoying. That's the more important part. So using this as an example, this blueprint has just been saved. GitHub acknowledges that, hey, this thing's changed. Do you want it committed? I will decide no. What I do is I go into the git ignore, which just says ignore these things, do not add them to the repository. I do a line comment for readability, UA assets, which are just blueprints, asterisks for the name of the file or the folder, and then we do a dot for the type. So this is, you see here it says U project. That would be the type. We just do UA asset. We press save to save the git ignore. Save that, and you see the blueprint has gone. And that's great. Now we can make any changes we want. Now we can use GitHub to the fullest. We can make C++ classes, and levels will actually still be saved. So let's just do test. Press save to clarify it. GitHub will now save test maps. And you can go into the ignore again and be like, I don't want, and you can say, I don't want UMaps. Oh, remove the S. There we go. There we go. And now it's gone. That's just a quick tutorial on how to use GitHub. Just to clarify, this is how I do it. You do not have to do it exactly like I did. There probably are better ways of actually using GitHub, but I find that this works for me. It lets me iterate my projects more efficiently, and if any corruption occurs, it at least saves me the hassle of redoing everything again.